In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most gracious. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, students, to all of you. This topic is for the class 4th, and the name of the topic is soil erosion and conservation. Students, last time we were discussing what is soil and we saw what is its importance. And today we will read something more about soil erosion. Students, last time as we were discussing about the animals that live in soil. So earthworms, centipedes are the animals that live in soil. Students, earthworms, as you all know, they live in soil. And what do, students? They make tunnels or small pores in the soil, and due to those tunnels, what happens? More and more water and air enters into the soil through those tiny pores, and that excess water and air helps the roots of the plants to grow deeper in the soil and helps a plant to stand up in a soil. Students, earthworm droppings, which you all have seen, and those earthworm droppings are called as casts, and those casts make the soil fertile. Students, soil also contains microbes. Microbes are the organisms that we cannot see by our naked eyes, and soil also contains microbes that help the plants to grow. Students, those microbes are good microbes and they help the plants to grow in soil. Now we will see what is soil erosion. That's our main topic. Students, as we know that soil is the upper fertile layer of earth, as we have already discussed. Now what is soil erosion? Students, removal of this top layer of earth, that is soil, is called soil erosion. Students, this soil is soft and light in nature and it is the upper layer of earth. As we have read already that soil is the upper layer of earth, and due to any of the reasons, like due to winds or due to rains, when this top layer of the soil of the earth gets removed up, that process is called as soil erosion. Students, soil erosion can occur by different ways. Sometimes strong winds can blow, and at that times what will happen? The strong winds just cut out the soil from the earth, and that leads to soil erosion. Students, sometimes what happens? The fast running water loosens the top soil, and that also removes the upper layer of the earth, that is soil, and that can be one more reason for the soil erosion. Students, factors for soil erosion are strong winds, running water, and human activities are also included in the factors responsible for the soil erosion. Now students, a homework for you, that you will find out the answer of the question, how earthworms make the soil fertile. How earthworms make the soil fertile. Thank you.